The conversation going at the official KPL.
Riri kimera kia mwaka wa 2017 2018 rigi-ini ya guku bururi-ini kirorete gutirihwo. Timu ya Mathare United marina gikeno kuona betika yao ya muthia muthenya wa kiumia magithaka na Ulinzi Stars kiharu-ini gia Kasarani. Magakorwo magikira shati kana jersey ikuite ritwa ria Kambuni ya uthithia wa kamaari ya Odi Bets. Aria mekiraniire ngirimiti umuthi ya kurugama nao kwa ihinda ria imera ingi igiri.
Indeed, we at Odi Bets are extremely delighted to be sponsoring a club with great heritage, as Chico has well mentioned, and significance in Kenya's footballing scene. Mathare United are coming off a very impressive season, everyone has to concur, and as one of the most improved teams in the KPL, if not the most improved.
Ngirimiti no ya kimanjika gia ciringi mirioni 60 igukorwo ikirugamirira nguo cia athaki o ndumwe na marihi mangi.
Having won the Kenyan Premier League in 2008 as well as the Moi Golden Cup in 1998 and 2000, Mathare United is a club with a rich history, tradition and reputation that transcends our borders.
Mathare kimera giki makoretwo makiandikithia muimirira matiganite. Kocha wao Francis Kimanzi akiuga ngirimiti ino ni kumuteithia gukorwo akigura athaki aria magakorwo magiteithia timu ino gukorwo igika wega makiria kimera tukite.
Mathare tie the game at 2-2 with just a few minutes.
Crispin Odor uria ni captain wa Mathare United ni akongoire unyitaniri uyu akiuga riu matanya mao meta timu ni kwandikithia muimirira makengu kimera turorete.
We can't thank you enough for you coming on board to support the team, and now that you guys are partnered with us, I think we concentrate on what we can do best, and that's to play and get results and dominate even in continental, as Chico has said.
Mathare United ni akanana murugamo-ini wa rigi mari na pointi 47 muthenya wa kiumia magicemania na wanajeshi nio Ulinzi Stars kiharu-ini gia Kasarani ciehanda thaa 9 cia miaraho. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.